And a good hello to you. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here at Terra Ceia Village, an Encore resort in Terra Ceia, Florida. It's near Palmetto, south of Tampa. If you ever want to be up here, I'm going to take you through this park, show you the ins and outs of this park, tell you. And I'm actually here for 2 weeks, so I want to kind of give you my opinion of what I think about this park, the good and the bad. I'm just saying. Stay tuned toward the end. I want to show you a little bit about what's going on here, different activities maybe, and what the sights you can expect when you come in for the old side and the new side, because there are basically two sides of this park. But come on with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, and it is a little bit of a busy street, especially during work hours. You just entered the Coolest Life, RV Park Review Edition. So this is the older section, and it does tend to have a whole lot more park models on it. As you can see, everything is very well kept, in good condition. You can see here's a Class C. Here's a pull-through site, really nice. Show you what kind of hookups you can. This actually pulls through this direction that we're staring at, and you're gonna have your sewer up underneath there. And a good little hook up there. Everything looks in really good condition. Again, this is the older site. You see another one over there. It's basically back in. It's concrete pads. Something like the one I'm on, you're actually pulling up on a dirt pad. It's not a concrete pad, but it's still pretty good. It's nice and level, and there's trees in this section. You see a lot more older trees in the older section than you do the newer section. Here's the pool on the older section side. It's a good looking pool. It is heated, and we're going to go to the other side. So here you're going to see the shuffleboard courts. I think I saw some people out here yesterday playing shuffleboard. Decent courts. They don't have that sandy stuff that you put on there, so they're not that level. But and here's a nice room here. Some of those things. Laundry facility out this way. That you use the they're on the code system, so you log it into that code system, and then you can pay for your laundry, which this one's $2 and $2 to dry, so that's always good. Here's the men's restroom. Everything's pretty updated. I like it. This is actually a handicapped shower stall, or bath stall. This would be the shower stall. It's a handicap one too here, so it's a little larger than most. In good condition. We're never probably all taking a shower here. I imagine the ladies is pretty much the same. This is their, wow, that's noisy. This is their number 2 activities room, so they'll play cards and different things, but this is like not where they play bingo or anything, but they do have pool tables here, 2 of them. These are the smaller pool tables. These are not the regulation 9-footers or anything like that, or 8-footers, I forget what they are. These are more like 6.5, maybe 7-foot tables. I do have a decent kitchen here. Again, this is the secondary hall, so refrigerators, and this is an area for employees only. I don't know exactly what they got stored, but I don't know if it's cups and plates and boxes, or I don't know what it is. Extra chairs is my guess. Do you have a television down there? It does work. I saw it working a couple days ago. A mini library. So that's what they have down here in the older section. You do have boxes here that you can get mail and outgoing mail. This is actually still on the old side here, but they have another section like that on the newer side. And we're going to head to the newer side now. We're going to go across this bridge, as long as I don't fall. That's the newer side down that way. This is the single road that connects the two, or there is the main road, which actually goes in front of the Dollar General store out front, that you can go from one side of the park to the other. But it's basically, they're definitely 2 distinct parks. And you can see these are really nice level sites, as you see here. Got a picnic table. These are all 50 amp, 30 amp, 50, 30, 110. You know how they are. There are no park models over here. Hey, how you? They all look good, in good condition. They maintain them well. They call it the Taj Mahal side. They do have 3 brand new pickleball courts here. As you can see, one of them being used now. 3-1 on 2, he said. We're gonna go look at the pool because I've actually never been to this pool, which is gonna be down here. You can see the post office boxes right there. We're gonna go past. There's the pool. Here's one of the decks here next to the restrooms. Here's the pool here. You got a nice waiting area here. And then a deeper end down that way. Cool. And here's their fitness room. That overlooks the pool. So they got a decent fitness room. Let me back you up. Let's try that one. Here we go. And they got some free weights down there. I love these machines like this, and my favorite workout equipment. Yes, the pull down bar. You can take this and unattach it and hook it up there and do your pull downs. So great for trapezoids. Right next door is their laundry facility. It doesn't look like they have any more washers and dryers than they do at the other side of the park. Same price, $2 to wash, $2 to dry. Nice. So this is their big room. They're going to be playing bingo in here pretty quickly. As you can see, it's about twice the size as far as actual space as the other park. And they'll put some things up there on the video screen. Got a kitchen over here. Let's show that real quick. Nice, got a full kitchen in here. Somewhat, kind of a mini kitchen, I guess, a little bit. I don't see no stove in here is why I'm saying that. But that's fine. It probably does exactly what they needed to do. And here's the office here. So you would drive up, come in the front door, and come straight on here off the main road and drive up right here. As you just saw from outside. But you would see the office here. So after all of that, what do I think about this park? I like this park. It's got a brand new area here, so if you're into the newer side with the nice level spots and concrete pads and that sort of thing. The only big drawback of this is there are no trees in this area, so that can be a detriment sometimes. Sometimes not having any trees is a good thing. For example, when you are when you have Starlink, you don't really want trees, but if you like to stay cool in the summer, you definitely want trees. They do have a dog park area here. In fact, there's a dog poop stand right there, but they do have a dog park here at the other end. I didn't show you, let me show you the trash area right now. Well, this is the older section back here. It looks like they've got some areas here for some storage, if you had some storage. And they've got a Waste Pro. These particular ones look like this are normally for yard waste or limbs and that sort of thing. And then they got some recycle and some regular dumpsters here. So that's what that's going to look like. Would I stay here again? Yeah, I don't have any problem staying here. This is a decent park. They got good management. I spoke to Brenda, actually got a chance to work with her. No issues there. She's going to take care and do the right thing as she can with the guidelines she's given. It's a well-kept park. There's not a lot of bad units sitting around here, or none of those tents or tarps and all that kind of stuff. So that's always good. So always pleased to see that. There's definitely a few older units that are here, but you're going to get that with any park. I'm just saying. Here we go. There's a good example of one right there. So, but all in all, decent park. No problem staying here again. Just off somewhat of a busy road, but even now, I can't hear the traffic, and it's about 5 o'clock right now. So I can barely hear the traffic, so it's not overwhelming or anything like that. So anyway, maybe you'll get a chance if you're ever in the Palmetto area, you'll come up here to Terra Ceia and want to stay at this park and tell them I sent you. Coolest life. But I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.